Good morning. Today, first of all, yesterday we see the concept of concyclic. Concyclic means if all the given 4 points are lies on the circle, then the 4 points are said to be concyclic. Now one more important problem it is. Find the equation of the circumcircle. Find the equation of the circumcircle. Circumcircle of the triangle formed by the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 under the coordinate axis. So, we have to find out the equation of a circle. Whether it is circumcircle or anything, we have to find out the equation of a circle. Here, how that circle is formed? It is formed by a line with the coordinate axis. So suppose here this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So this is the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Obviously a triangle is formed OAB. If we draw a circle passing through the vertices of this triangle OA and B, then this circle is called circumcircle. That means if a circle passes through the vertices of a triangle, then the circle is called circumcircle. So here the circle passing through these vertices. So the line equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and remaining two lines are coordinate axis. So then the circle passing through these vertices of the triangle OAB is also a circle which is called as circumcircle. So now we are going to find out the equation of that circumcircle. Okay. So for this, first of all, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If a line forms a triangle with coordinate axis, means that line cuts x-axis and y-axis. So the line ax plus by c equal to 0 cuts x-axis at A and y-axis at B. So now we are going to find out the point A and point B. For this, what we use? Already we know in straight lines intercept form. So we convert the given equation into intercept form. So take a look here. So the given line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. When we convert it into intercept form, first of all we send this constant to this side. And what is intercept form? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. So we convert the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 into x by a plus y by b equal to 1 form. For that, I send this constant to this side, then ax plus by equal to minus c. So you have to divide whole equation with minus c. So ax by minus c plus by minus c equal to minus c by minus c nothing but 1. Now x by this a, here we have no coefficient to x because it is in the form of x by a. So we send this a to denominator, then it becomes x by minus c by a plus y by minus c by b equal to 1. Therefore, 1 cuts the axis at a minus a comma 0 because here it is a point on x-axis. So it is minus c by a comma 0 and it is a point on y-axis. So the coordinates of b is 0 comma minus c by b like that. And this is origin which is 0 comma 0. So now what we are going to find? Now equation of a circumcircle formed by the line ax plus by c plus c equal to 0 with the coordinate axis is passing through origin A and B. So this is now we say that this circle passing through the vertices of this triangle OAB. That means this circumcircle passing through 3 points O0 comma 0, A minus c by a comma 0 and B0 comma minus c by b. So that is the point. Now we have to find out the equation of this circle. So we don't know about this equation. Take it as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c dash. Why I take c dash here? You have to observe, because already in the given line there is a c. If we use same c here, we have a confusion. So to avoid that confusion, we use c dash here, any constant. Whether it may be c dash or k or p, anything you like. So x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2fy plus c dash equal to 0. This is our required equation. So by using the data which is given in the problem, if we determine g value, f value and c dash value, then we get the circle equation obviously, which will be seen in the previous models, you know. So first of all, what is the point? Origin. So this is second equation passes through origin O0 comma 0. Then what happened? We have to substitute 0 0 here. 0 plus 0 plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c dash equal to 0. Nothing but c dash equal to 0. Understand? Next. 2 passes through a minus c by a comma 0. So here we get c dash equal to 0. Now the equation passes through a also. So we substitute a point in the circle. Minus c by a whole square plus 0 square plus 2g into minus c by a plus 2f into y value 0 plus c dash, it is already determined 0. So c dash equal to 0, 0 equal to 0. That means what happened here? Minus c by a whole square means c square by a square. This is always 0, no doubt. 2g into minus c by a minus 2g c by a. This is 0, so no need to write. So c square by a square minus 2g c by a equal to 0. So whereas here c by a here is common, so we have to delete c by a. Then what will remain here? C by a minus c by a will be deleted, so 2g will be remain here. C by a minus 2g equal to 0. That means 2g equal to c by a. That means g equal to c by 2a, which is the fourth equation. So here we get the value of g. And in the same way, again the circle passes through 0 comma minus c by b. Then we substitute the point 0 comma minus c by b in this equation. So x equal to 0, 0 square plus y minus c by b whole square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into minus c by b plus c dash. Already we know that c dash is 0, so 0 equal to 0. So obviously here also 0 square 2g into 0, these two are cancelled, that 0 also cancelled. So what will remain here? C square by b square minus 2f into c by b equal to 0. In the same way, c by b will be cancelled throughout the equation. Then c by b will remain here, minus 2f equal to 0. Then 2f equal to c by b, f equal to c by 2b. Now we get c dash value, g value and f value. So these three values will be substituted in our required equation. Then the equation of the circumcircle is found. So we substitute these values in this equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx. 2g. What is g? C by 2a. C by 2a into x plus 2 into f. What is f? C by 2b. C by 2b into y plus c dash. What is c dash? It is 0. Plus 0 equal to 0. Then what happened? X square plus y square plus this 2 and this 2 cancel. What will remain? C by a into x plus c by b into y plus 0 equal to 0. So this is the equation. So it will convert into convenient form. So here the denominator is a and here the denominator is b. So take LCM as ab. That's why we multiply throughout the equation with ab. So these two terms will be multiplied with ab into x square plus y square. When we multiply ab here, a cancels, so bcx plus when we multiply with ab here, bb cancels, so acy equal to 0. So this is the required equation of circumcircle, which was formed by the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 with the coordinate axis. Understand or not? So you go through this problem. If you have any doubt, please pause the video and you get see one more time, two more times, or three more times. So for clear cut understanding, you have to see as many times as possible. So this is the next important problem. Find the equation of the circle which passes through the vertices of the triangle formed by three lines L1, L2 and L3. Here, my dear students, you have to clearly observe. We have to find out the equation of a circle. So we are going to find out the equation of a circle. Okay. Then, which type of circle we are going to find out? Our circle passing through the vertices of a triangle formed by the given lines. So, for example, you have to see the example. Suppose this is a line and this is another line and this is one more line. Say L1 equal to 0 and this is L2 equal to 0, this is L3 equal to 0. Okay. So these are the vertices. So now we are going to find out the equation of a circle passing through the vertices of this triangle like this. So we have to find out that equation. So the intersection point here is A, here is B and here is C. Friends, this problem can be solved in two methods. So what is the first method? Here you know A is nothing but intersection of 1 and 2. A is the vertex which is formed by the intersection of 1 and 2. So you have to take the given lines L1, L2, L3, 1, 2, 3 name it as, and you have to solve 1 and 2, then you get A. And solve 2 and 3, you get B. And solve 1 and 3, you get C. Like that, you get all the 3 points A, B and C. If 3 points are known to you, which are on the circle, then you have very easy to find out the equation of a circle, which will be discussed in the previous models. For example, you have let the equation of a circle be x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then put it as a fourth equation. So now 4 passes through A point, you substitute it, you get an equation in G, F and C. And 4 passes through B, then you get one more equation in G, F and C. And 4 passes through C, then you get one more equation in G, F and C. So you got 3 equations in 3 variables G, F and C. So solve those equations simultaneously 5 and 6, 6 and 7 by deleting C from it. Then you get 2 equations in G and F. By solving those 2, you get either G or F. Then by substituting it, you get another G or F. Then you substitute both G and F in any of the equations, then you get C, which will be done by us in the previous problems. But here there is a laborious work here. So I go for method 2, which is somehow easy when compared to the first one. Okay, so method 2, how I solve it? So friends, clearly observe given lines L1 identicals to x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, first equation. L2 identicals to 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, second equation. L3 identicals to 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, third equation. You take let A comma B comma C are the intersection points of L1 comma L2 and L2 comma L3 and L3 comma L1 respectively. Here now equation of a curve Equation of a curve. Friends, you have to observe this point very clearly. We have to find out equation of a curve passing through A, B and C is, how should we write it? It is very important problem. Very important rule which will be learned by us in straight lines. If L1, L2, L3 are three different lines are intersect at three different points, then the equation, second degree equation of a curve passing through these L1, L2 and L3 are like this. K into L1, L2 plus L into L2, L3 plus M into L3, L1 equal to 0. So like this, this is the equation of a curve. So we substitute here K into L1. What is L1? X plus Y plus 1 into, what is L2? 3x plus Y minus 5 plus L into, what is L2? 3x plus Y minus 5 into, what is L3? 2x plus Y minus 5 plus M into, what is M? L3? 2x plus Y minus 5 into L1. X plus Y plus 1 equal to 0. Friends, this is the formula. Equation of a curve. I don't say it is a circle. What I am saying is equation of a curve. Second degree equation. Second degree equation of a curve, whether it is parabola or circle or any other curve equation, it is in the form of K into L into M into this side. This is the fourth equation. Now what we are going to find? Equation of a circle. So if this is the second degree equation curve, if it is a circle, obviously compulsory it becomes a circle. Why? Because we have to find out the equation of a circle. But here we take it as second degree equation curve. So if it is a circle, it satisfies some conditions. Already I told you in the concepts class. That's why I say concepts are very important. In the concepts class, I say one important prominent rule. What is it? If ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represents a second degree equation, is a circle, then it follows three conditions. What are those three conditions? First condition is A equal to B. A equal to B means coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. And what is the second condition? Xy equal to 0. Xy equal to 0. Okay, so if these two conditions are satisfied, then that it becomes a circle. So here, if fourth equation represents a circle, then it follows the following conditions. So if 4 represents a circle, then first condition, coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. What is x square coefficient here? So you have taken here, what is x square? X into 3x. In this theorem, only x into 3x is 3x square. So nothing will come here. So x into 3x, 3x square into k, 3kx square. So what is coefficient of x square here? 3k. And in this 3x into 2x, 6x square into L. So plus 6L. 6L x square, we take only coefficient of x square. So it is 6L. So 3k plus 6L. And what is here? 2x into x, 2x square. So here is m also. Therefore, it is nothing but 2m is equal to, again, coefficient of y square. You have to observe. coefficient of y square. Here y into y square into k. So it is k plus here y into y. Here also l plus here y into y square. So it is also m. Understand? Then you bring these k plus l plus m to this side. It becomes 2k plus 5l plus m equal to 0. This is the fifth equation. Understand? Next, coefficient of xy equal to 0. We know that coefficient of xy equal to 0. This is the second condition. So we have to find out what is coefficient of xy. So when will it come? This x and this y. So here x into y, xy into k. Okay, x into y, xy plus y into 3x. Are you understand or not? First, ఈ బ్రాకెట్ లో x పెట్టి ఇందులో ఉన్న y మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. అప్పుడు ఒక xy వస్తుంది. అలాగే ఇందులో ఉన్న y పెట్టి ఇందులో ఉన్న x మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. అప్పుడు ఒక xy వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ x into y, xy plus y into 3x, 3xy. So xy plus 3xy, 4xy. కాబట్టి into k, 4k. Coefficient of xy is 4k. అలాగే here 3x into y, 3xy, y into 2x, 2xy. 3xy, 2xy, 5xy into l. So it is 5l. Okay. Next. Here 2x into y, 2xy, y into x, 3xy. So here is 2xy and y into x, another xy, 3xy. 3xy into m, 3m equal to 0. So quotient of xy equal to 0. So this is one more equation. So here two equations will be obtained, 5 and 6. Now apply cross multiplication rule. Apply cross multiplication rule for 5 and 6. So for this 5 and 6, we have to apply cross multiplication rule where it has k, l, m like that today, k, l, m. At the bottom of k we have to write k coefficients. Here is 2 and here is 4. And where for l it is 5, here and it is 5. And for m it is 1 and it is 3. Now k by l by m by. K by l by m by. So you have to multiply. For k you take these two. 5 into 3, 15 minus 5, and for L you take these two. So 2, 3, 6. So do not confuse k, l and k. So this is 2, 4, 5, 5, 1, 3, 2, 4. So cross multiplication rule. 5 3 is 15 minus 5. And what is l? 1 into 4, 4 minus 3 into 2, 6. Already plus reverse sign, so minus 6. And for m it is like this. 10 minus 20. 2 5 is 10 minus 4 5 is 20. So it is nothing but k by 10, 4 by minus 2, m by minus 10. So all these are cancelled into, then it becomes k by 5, l by minus 1, this is l by minus 1, m by minus 5. Understand or not? All are cancelled into. So we divide all the values with 2. So 5 minus 1 and 10 by 2 nothing but minus 5. Now, so we get k value as 5, l value as minus 1 and m value as minus 5 because they are all in proportionate. So then we take k value as 5, l value as minus 1 and m value as minus 5. So you substitute k, l, m values in fourth equation. So substitute k, l, m in fourth equation. So what is that fourth equation? 5 into k into means 5 into x plus y plus 1 into 3x plus y minus 5 plus L. What is L? Minus 1. So this is minus 1 into 3x plus y minus 5 into 2x plus y minus 5 plus m. What is m? Minus 5. So this is minus 5 into, okay, minus 5 into, what happened? Minus 5 into 2x plus y minus 5 into x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this implies 5 into, first of all, this bracket you have to multiply. X into 3x, 3x square plus xy, x into y, xy minus 5x, x into 5, 5x plus 3xy plus y square minus 5y plus 3x plus y minus 5 and plus into minus minus, so minus 1 into bracket draw. What is it? 3x into 2x, 6x square plus 3x into y, 3xy, 3x into minus y minus 15xy. So from y it is 2xy plus y square minus 5y, and with 5 minus 10x minus 5y plus 25, and here plus into minus minus 5 into, so 2x into x, 2x square, so first 2x to immediately 2x square plus 2xy plus 2x and y to plus xy plus y square plus y and minus 5 to minus 5x minus 5y minus 5 equal to 0. So you simplify this equation. It's very easy. So 5 into 3, 15x square plus 5xy minus 25x plus 15xy plus 5y square minus 25y plus 15x, okay, plus 5y minus 25, and for with minus 1 minus 6x square minus 3xy plus 15xy minus 2xy minus y square plus 5y plus 10x plus 5y minus 25, and for this minus 10x square minus 10xy minus 10x minus 5xy minus 5y square minus 5y minus 25x minus 25y plus 25 equal to 0. So this is the equation. So you have to simplify it. So for this, first of all, you go for x square term. 15x square. Here is the 15x square minus 6x square. 15x square minus 6x square minus 10x square. So here it is 15x square minus 6x square minus 10x square. So what happened? 15x square minus 16x square, nothing but minus x square. And what are xy's? Xy's 5xy plus 15xy, 20xy. 20xy minus xy, that's 20xy minus 3xy. 17xy, 17 plus 15, 32xy. 32 minus 2xy, 30xy. 30xy 5xy plus, so you have to see here, minus 6x square minus 3xy minus into minus plus 15xy minus 2xy here. Okay. So minus 10xy minus 5xy minus 15xy minus 10xy minus 5xy minus 15xy plus 15xy cancel. Minus 10xy minus 5xy minus 15xy plus 15xy cancel. Okay, and in the same way, this is 15xy plus 5xy. It is 20xy. Okay, here you have to see here 5xy and this is plus 15xy. 15xy plus 5xy, 20xy. Understand? These are positive xy's, 20xy. So next negative minus x's, minus 3xy, minus 2xy, minus 5xy, minus 10xy, minus 15xy, minus 5xy, 20xy. So minus 3xy, minus 2xy, minus 10xy, minus 5xy. Total 20xy plus 20xy. 15 plus 5, 20xy. So all xy's are cancelled. So xy quotient becomes 0. That's all. Okay. And the next. Next. Y square terms. This is 5y square. And this is minus y square, this is minus y square. 5y square minus 6y square. So it is also minus y square. Now we go for x terms. Here it is minus 25x, minus 25x. It is minus 25x plus 15, minus 25x plus 15, minus 25 plus 15, minus 10x. And again here minus 25x plus 15 minus 10. Minus 10 plus 15 plus 5. Okay, plus 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 minus 10 plus 15 minus 10. 5. 5 minus 25. Here 5 minus 25 minus 20x. Understand or not? Once again you have to see. Minus 25 plus 15 minus 10, and here minus 10 plus 15 minus 10 plus 15 5. So you get 5 here, and then 5 plus 10 15 15x. 15 minus 10 5x. 5 minus 25 here. 5 minus 25 minus 20. So this is minus 20x, and you go for y squares. Y squares equal to x equal to y. You go for y terms. Here it is minus 25y plus 5y. Minus 25 plus 5 minus 20. And in this minus 20 plus 5. Minus 20 plus 5. How much? Minus 20 plus 5. Minus 15. Minus 15 plus 5. Minus 10. Minus 10 minus 5. Minus 15. Minus 15 minus 25. Minus 40. Minus 40y. Now we go for constants. What is it? Constants. So here it is minus 25 minus 25. So 1 minus 25 plus 25 cancelled. 1 minus 25 will remain. It is minus 25 equal to 0. Throughout the equation you have to multiply with minus, then you get x square plus y square plus 20x plus 40y plus 25 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle. So friends, understand, it is the simple model. Compare it to one, or you can do this problem in that method also. What is that method? You have to solve 1 and 2. 1 and 2 you have to solve in this method, xy1x method. You get a point A, and you solve these two, you get another point B, and you solve L1 and L3, you get another point C. So after getting A, B, C 3 points, you take a circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. You substitute all these 3 points, then you get 3 different equations in 3 variables g, f and c. By solving those 3 equations, which will be discussed in so many problems earlier, so you have to follow that method. It is also same answer. You also get answer. So this is the simple method, one of the simple method. There is no complication here. Be alert in multiplication only. What the difficult in this problem is, you must be alert. Why? In multiplication and in comparing the coefficients, you must be alert. Okay, very important one. Okay, next problem we have to see. So see, one more important sum it is. If ABCD is a square, show that A, B, C and D are concyclic. Here, if ABCD is a square, we have to show that ABCD are concyclic. So what are concyclic? The points. If ABCD is a square, then A, B, C and D are vertices of a square. So if A, B, C and D are the vertices of a square, then we prove that A, B, C, D are concyclic. That means these 4 vertices lies on same circle, like that. Okay. So for example, you have to observe this one. Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. So this origin will be taken as A 0, 0. You take like this. You denote this origin with A 0, 0 according to the problem. So we take our convenience, the points as per our convenience. Suppose if A 0, 0, let A 0, 0 be the origin, then here A, B, C, D is a square. what is the property of square? Four sides are equal. Suppose we take a point here. It is at a distance of k units. It is at a distance of k units. Here the point is BC. And in the same way, here also you take another point which is C, which is also at a distance of k units. Then what is B point? From A to B is k units, so the point B is k comma 0. Because the point lies on x axis, the point is k comma 0. And the point C lies on y axis, it becomes 0 comma k because it is k units from origin. And now here there is another point D which becomes k comma k because the distance from here to here is k. And this to this is k, so the point becomes k comma k. So now the vertices are 0 comma 0, k comma 0, 0 comma k and k comma k. Understand or not? So because for a square all the sides are equal, so you take a point on x at k units distance and another point on y axis at k units distance, then these two sides are equal. In the same way, if this is k, this side is also k units and this is also k units. So all the sides are equal, it is a square. Now, if it is k comma 0 and it is 0 comma k, here the vertex D becomes what happened? K comma k. Because from this to this, the distance is k and the distance is k, so k comma k. Understand? So now these 4 points are said to be concyclic. These 4 points are said to be concyclic. Okay, now we have to see solution. Let A0 comma 0 be the origin. Let A0 comma 0 be the origin and the point B lies on x-axis and the point C lies on y-axis, which are at a distance of k units from origin, from A. Origin means A. Therefore, the vertices of a square from the diagram is, now what are the vertices? A0 comma 0, B0 comma k, bk comma 0, C0 comma k and D k comma k. So now we have to prove that these 4 points are concyclic. Let the equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, first equation. Now one passes through A0 comma 0, then so if you substitute 0 comma 0 in this equation, 0 plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c equal to 0 implies c equal to 0. This is second equation. And now one passes through bk comma 0, then k square plus 0 square plus 2g into k plus 2f into 0 plus c already know 0 equal to 0. So from this k square plus 2gk equal to 0. Throughout the equation, one k will be cancelled. Then what happened here? K plus 2g equal to 0. 2g equal to minus k, g equal to minus k by 2. So here we get g equal to minus k by 2, which is third equation. Similarly, f is equal to also we get minus k by 2. Similarly, f is also minus k by 2. Then now required equation of a circle. Required equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2g. What is g? G value minus k by 2 into x plus 2f. What is f? Minus k by 2 into y plus c. What is c? 0 equal to 0. So this equation becomes x square plus y square minus 2kx. Sorry, this 2 cancel, so minus kx, this 2 cancel, minus ky equal to 0. This is the fourth and this is the fifth equation. Now we find the equation passing through A, B and C. If the given 4 points are concyclic, then the point D lies on fifth equation. Now if A, B, C, D are concyclic, then the point D, which is D, K comma K, lies on 5. So the point D comma K lies on this fifth equation. So you substitute K comma K here, which is K square plus K square minus k into x means k into k minus k square equal to 0 plus k square minus k square plus k square minus k square. So it is 0 is equal to 0. Therefore a b c d is j square, then a b c d is j square, then a comma b comma c comma d are concyclic. Okay, this is the, so the circle is like this. This is the circle. Understand or not? Okay. So friends, at this point I completed the part 1. That means exercise 1A in your academic textbook. The almost all important problems and almost all important models are covered by me in these classes. So you go some more practice problems. You go through some more important practice problems in these models. You follow any book, the book which will be given by our college or any other book or any textbook, you have to follow. There is no matter. You have to do as many problems as you have in these models. Then you got a grip on the subject. Okay, if you have any problem, if you have any doubts with the problems in any of the books, then you have to comment me. Then you have to post me in our WhatsApp group. Or if you have any doubts in this topic and in this part 1 circles topic, if you have any doubts, you have to post me in WhatsApp group. Then I go through that post and I must do 1 or 2 doubt classes. So if you have any doubts or if you want any clarifications in problems, I will explain it in 1 or 2 classes. Okay, so you have to do. So once you concentrate on all these classes once again, these are very important concepts. In public examination, you must get Compulsory one 7 marks problem and one 2 mark problem from this part only. Okay, from tomorrow we discuss second topic, that is tangents. What is tangent, what is chord, what is secant, what are notations, what is length of tangent, what is power of the point, and what is the position of a point with respect to the circle. Like that, important concepts are there. Those all concepts are discussed by me in the later class. Okay, thank you very much.